Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you a simple, easy and powerful pocket option strategy that you can use right after watching this video. And if you want to make profitable trades on a daily basis for lifelong, then do watch this video till the end. And if you want some free signals on a daily basis to make trade on pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel where I provide signals in order to make profitable trades in pocket option. So now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, you just make all of this currency pair favorite, whichever you want to make trade on. Okay. And then once you do this much, like if you want to make this euro gbp at here, put at here, then just make this yellow. Okay. And it will be at here. Okay. So in that way, you put all of this currency pair, whichever you want to make trade on at here, and then select the time frame of the candle M1. That means all of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Also, your trading time frame should be of M1. Okay. And you decide the amount that you want to invest. Once you do this much, then just come to here and then implement a indicator, put an indicator that is called stochastic oscillator. Okay, just put that indicator at here. Okay, and then just click on this upper arrow so that you can see this indicator clearly. Okay, so now exactly what type of see, mostly people use stochastic oscillator is whenever you have a crossover happen, they make a trade by clicking on lower, and whenever this kind of crossover happens, they make a trade by clicking on higher. But we are not going to do that in this video. Okay, we are going to search for this kind of market where stochastic oscillator is hovering in the overbought region or oversold region in this way. Okay, and once we see this kind of format, okay, then in the candles we will see whenever one candle is closed in red, then right after that candle we'll make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, but once we see after we see this kind of format, only in that case. Okay, so as you can see currently there is no that kind of case. Okay, so let's see at this another currency pair. Okay, so it seems like it was at here. Okay, and if you see here, whenever a red candle have happened, then after that if you had made trade by clicking on higher, then you most probably go right. Okay, in most of the trade, but now it has started to fall down. Okay, so we'll not make trade at here. So let's see in another. So here also you can see it was at this overbought region, and here was one candle. Okay, that retraced, and here if you have made trade by clicking on higher at here, then you could have been profitable if you saw this red candle, and if you have made trade by clicking on higher at here, and of course if you have seen this and if you have made trade by clicking on higher at here, then you could go on loss. But this is the beauty of trading. Okay, you cannot be profitable for 100% of the time, but you need to be able to make profit or be profitable trade most of the time. Okay, so let's see in other. So it is also not hovering. This is, so here you can see it is in the oversold region. Right now what we need to do is we can relax and wait. Okay, and whenever a candle closes on green, at that exact moment you can make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, but we need to wait for some time here, I think, to see a green candle. So let's move into our other currency pair and see if there is appropriate market right now. So here you can see it is also in the oversold region, right? And here you can see market have given a green candle at here, but and we can take risk and make a trade by clicking on lower at here. However, we cannot guarantee that we are going to make profit at here, but the chances are going to be high. As you can see here, we have made a good entry. Most probably we are going to make profit in this trade. So let's see. Okay, let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, let's wait for some time. See how beautifully it is trying to come back, right? If you practice this strategy properly in your demo account, okay, and then you make trade here, you can see we could also have gone wrong if we had made trade at here, right? But we got our good entry point at here. Sometimes what happens, yeah, we are going to go wrong, I think. Yeah, No, we didn't make profit or loss, okay, in this trade, because it closed exactly in the place where we opened the trade. Okay, these things happens. Okay, so let's see in other. So because the market is started to move up, so we'll not see that currency pair again. Let's see in other. Okay, one more thing. Okay, don't make trade in this kind of format also. Okay, market should totally be at the this above this. Okay, so let's see in other. So this was also a good market, but it seems like it is going to fall down, right? So we are not going to take risk in such market also. So let's see in another. So this seems to be a good market, but here you can see what also you can do is sometimes you see this kind of, okay, market is this lines are hovering in the overbought region, right? And you see at here after one red candle there is another red candle, this kind of format, you if you see, then you should not make trade in that condition also. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll add more currency pair at here. Let me add it quickly, and let me show you by making one profitable trade at least. Okay, so now I've added few more currency pair at here. You can trade with this strategy in either in OTC pair or non-OTC pair. Okay, it's your choice. So market is hovering at here. One red candle here you can see, another red candle here you can see, and after that you can see you could have easily made profit at here, but here there would be a little bit risk, right? But we don't have an entry signal at here. So let's see in another currency pair. So this is also a good sign, and if there is a red candle retracement, then we can easily take risk. Like this can be one signal. Okay, but if this fall downs from here, then we are not going to make trade at here. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's see in another. So here you can see here is also a good format have started to form, and here you can see after one red candle there is another green candle. So we need to wait for another red candle to appear at here, and we can easily make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, let's see other. So here was also a good format. So what I'll do now is I'll quickly find out a suitable currency pair. Okay, it is being hard at this moment to find, and I'll show you by making a trade. Okay, so now as you can see here is one red candle. Okay, so now what you can do is this candle is just forming, right? Now you can easily take risk at this moment, okay, and make a trade in this condition. Okay, however, I would suggest you to wait for this candle to close so that you can get a good entry point. Okay, and then you can expect another candle to go green. But here you can see market app is trying to fall down, okay, from here, which is not a good signal for us. But let's see what happens in this trade. So it seems like market is trying to move up, but let's see. We have few seconds remaining, 17 seconds. So let's see what happens in this trade. So it was risky, but it was trying to become profitable. But let's see what happens. Okay, where this candle actually closes. It closed in the red. That's fine. I'll source for another currency pair now. So here you can see here you can see a good sign. Okay, it's like, but again it is trying to move off, so let's not see this currency pair also. So again we have found another. Okay, market is going up. Okay, and here you can see it has respected the thing that we're talking about. Okay, one after one red candle, another was green, and market was below at here, so these things doesn't matter to us. Okay, now again you can take risk and make trade by clicking on higher at this point also, or you can wait for this market to close. Okay, here you can see you could have made entry at here if you had wait for some time. Okay, but we have already made the trade, so let's see what happens in this trade. Seems like market is going trying to go beautifully up, but anything can happen, so let's wait. So we have like 20 seconds remaining. How beautifully it is trying to move up. See, good signals are hard to be found. Okay, so if you practice this strategy properly and found this kind of place where you can easily make a trade by seeing this kind of retracement, then that is going to be an awesome thing for you. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.